Type CAMTASIA in search bar and hit enter. Now click CAMTASIA, Screen Recorder and Video Editor, Free Trial. Click Download Free Trial button. Click Windows Download. Now the CAMTASIA file download automatically. It takes some time to complete download. The file size 465 megabytes. After complete download, click right button on your mouse. Click Open. Now click OK. Click I accept the license terms. Click Install. Now the software installing. It takes some time to complete installation. After complete the installation, click Finish button. Now open CAMTASIA. Click New Project. Click Sign in to start trial. Click Continue with Google. Choose an Gmail account. Click Open CAMTASIA 2021. Click Continue. Click Cancel. Click Other. Click Submit. Now you can use CAMTASIA Studio free. You can creating and recording video tutorials and presentations directly via screencast and edit your video and many other things. Thanks for watching.